Do you know that some people hate to promote their father, hate to talk about their father, hate to document about their father? Do you know that? I don't know the reasons who they are doing that, but I can tell you that if it is me, I will definitely promote my father. I will definitely talk good about my father. I will definitely, be bold to come to the camera and say everything good about my father. But some people don't want to do that. I don't know the reason. But some people don't want to talk. Some people don't even want to hear about their father. Some people, if you talk about their father, they will shoot you. Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV. Today we are live and direct in Nnewi, in the residence of Izuchukwu Motors. You understand? Izuchukwu Motor, that is Okaka Anedo. Okaka Anedo, we are live and direct. So looking at here, this is all Izuchukwu's residence. You want to go? All this place is just Izuchukwu Motors. The residence, the Okaka Anedo's family. That is here. When you hear about Izuchukwu Motors, Izuchukwu is about, it's not one person. There are a group of family that founded Izuchukwu Motors Transport Company. Just like Creative Law TV. So when you see me, you see Creative Law TV. When you see my wife, you see Creative Law TV. Everywhere here is Okaka Anedo's residence. That's that kind of thing. So the family is great. The family is too much. Looking at here, you think that you are in White House. Everywhere is white, clean, neat, like fantabulous. You want to go? So this is old house owned by Izuchukwu Motors. You want to go to Okaka Anedo family. So it has been renovated though, but it was old house here. And I just want to let you know what we are passing to. If I am a gafe news or if I am this video anyway here. So we came here, we met one of the Izuchukwu Motors' son who came back from America, United States of America. So he was sleeping inside there. We knocked and met him. We were trying to explain who we are, that we are this, that this. We came from here to. So this guy, if I tell you how he bounce house back, even if you go for a question, nobody will bounce you like that. Or if you go for nightclub, nobody will bounce you that way. But he just said, "Who are you? I don't know you. Why are you knocking on my door? I'm sleeping. I'm this. I'm this." He just was speaking. I don't even understand what all this thing he was saying. If I tell you how he just knocked the door, bam! I say, "Wow, what the fuck?" What other thing? But I said, "No, let me know." So they directed us another place, which is Nnewi. You want to go one of the Izuchukwu Motors' son, and we proceeded to that place. Come, let me go show you. I'm just telling you this to let you know that, when we talk about in this line of our work, we have been trying to make contact with a lot of all these families we have been hearing about. Yes, we have been trying to make contact with a lot of them. But not everybody would like to talk about his or her family. Not everybody would like to promote their father, promote the legacy of their family, promote. Sometimes, if I tell you that we have gone to almost all these places, you are trying to tell us, go here, but none of them wants to talk about their family. You will go, they will bounce you back. You will go, they say they are not interested. You will go, they will a lot. So I don't want to mention names, but we have gone to a lot of places and they didn't want to talk about their father. And you can't force them to promote or talk about their father. So this is why I'm doing this video, to show you this is all Izuchukwu's residence. You want to go that and not everybody go want talk about their father. I just want to let you know. Come close, I will show you the Nnewi. So a lot of you guys knows Izuchukwu Motors. This man is an icon. He's a legend. You want to go? They were the founders of People's Club of Nigeria. You want to go? They are the one that started transport companies as of 1970 something. Even before the war, they started as of 1960, 1950, before the war. Till these days, we are hearing Izuchukwu Motors. So if you are listening to Oliver the Kokwe's song, or Okaka Anedo, Izuchukwu Motors, like they mention him in every People's Club of Nigeria international songs. You want to go? And this is the residence of the family, Okaka Anedo. Looking at this family, you know that there is life in this family. Everybody is doing well. Lord, look at the whole place. Everywhere is white, not like White House, like paradise. So just be showing them everywhere. Let's go, guys. This is one of the house of Izuchukwu Motors' sons. Yes, this house belongs to them. They call him Nnewi. So we came here, we knock. We were able to get somebody there, and we called. So if I tell you that we are in the process of explaining ourselves, telling the man that who we are, the man said, "Oh, I'm not interested. He hang up the call." He called the man back, said, "Don't allow them to enter inside the house." This is what we are passing through. I'm just giving you a clip. Do you know that some people hate to promote their father, hate to talk about their father, hate to document about their father? Do you know that? I don't know the reasons who they are doing that, but I can tell you that if it is me, I will definitely promote my father. I will definitely talk good about my father. I will definitely, be bold to come to the camera and say everything good about my father, but some people don't want to do that. I don't know the reason. And thanks to some people that know the value of this thing you are doing, some of them calls us and book appointment with us. Some of them wants to talk about their father. Some of them are happy, are even calling us to talk about their father. Some of the founders, yes. Some of the videos we didn't even stress to do it. They call us to want to document their father, but some people don't want to talk. Some people don't even want to hear about their father. Some people, if you talk about their father, they will feel shoot you. So I'm just telling you, this is what we are passing through. So we are in Izuchukwu Motors residence. All here, everywhere here is Izuchukwu Motors residence. And for some of you that have been dropping a comment, go here, go here, go here. I hope you can understand. Not everywhere we can go, and not everybody you can get appointment with. So just stay tuned and understand what we are telling you. So show them everywhere. This is one of the family's house. He didn't want to even talk to us. So thank you guys. We'll move ahead.